Great value, 13.2 by 4.8 by 3.2. Our cat litter scooper is made of durable ABS plastic, stronger than standard polypropylene cat litter scoops. Coating, see below. 12 months for any issue resulting from a manufacturer defect. Smart cat litter cleaning, flat, thin, and sharp leading edge sits flush against your cat litter box floor to scoop underneath cat litter, rather than into clumped litter. Faster sifting. High walls on this litter scoop prevent scatter. Comfortable, ergonomic and longer type handle. Superior hygiene and cleaning, coated for a cleaner scoop and less odor. For use with clumping cat litter pellets, lightweight cat litter, and crystal cat litter such as Tidy Cat's litter, Fresh Step cat litter, World's Best cat litter, and Dr Eleseys cat litter. Wall mount included or can be used with our PetFusion 2-in-1 universal litter scoop holder. Nimble in tight spaces and around edges, straight edges superior to cradle design that might not sit flush with the wall of your litter box. A great alternative to a metal litter scoop and traditional litter scoop designs. Integrated solutions. PetFusion also offers non-stick litter boxes, silicone cat litter mats, modern litter box privacy screens, and indoor and outdoor litter waste disposal bins. Top reviews from the United States. Great invention. This has worked great so far. I think this is a great invention for cat parents. My only complaint would be that when you take the silicone thing to clean it, it's hard to put it back exactly the same way as it was, so that makes the whole plastic case to close correctly. It's a little tight to close. But overall still working as it's supposed to. Worth a try.